Hi everyone, this is John Wen. Today is January 14th, 2020. Happy New Year. And I will record this video to briefly talk about what I've been done from last Thursday till today. So I still have two items in the working space. And first item is to write the first paper with applications. And second one is to convert the PHP in dataview. And here is the highlights of the progress since last Thursday. It moves a little bit slow and hopefully will be moving faster afterwards. So let's get into the details. For the first one, to write the first paper with applications, since we've already successfully run the CPU version of deep learning tensorflow model from dataview in last week, I also tried to run the GPU version, but since we are using the Conda to manage the Python environments, I still get the error while use a process to activate TensorFlow in GPU environments. So let's get into the Eclipse and see the details. So I also try to write a shell script and to use a process to activate the GPU environments, and it does not work so far. And I also tried directly use Conda active from the process builder and to activate the environment. It does not work either. And so I realized that the Python here calling is directly from the command prompt environment. So if I go to the command prompt environment from the Windows, I get exactly the same environment as the process get here. So what I need to do is to what new users maybe later need to do is to add the Python into the environment path in order to directly trigger this process. So it has been successfully running, but currently the roadblock is still be to activate the GPU version or GPU environment. At the very beginning, I was thinking about to utilize a PyDev management tool to help to manage the environment dependencies for the project, but recently I realized that actually the PyDev is used for the Python projects in Eclipse. So that means here we're using the Java process. It's another story, totally another story, because the process environment still use a different like the command prompt environment we have. So we may not use this PyDev at all in later work. So I still work on this one, and I have a kind of alternate way, maybe I can try later, is to purely install the TensorFlow in my environment, and instead of use a Conda to manage, and we need to activate the environment every time in order to use a GPU for the learn train model. So I think it's a good trial maybe you can take. And the second one, I still working on the algorithms and the scientific workflow management system comparison table, and still working on and in slow move. And for the PHP file conversion item, so I still encounter the local executor error that remains in the web version, and which works fine in API version. So I get error is no class dev found error. So I also try to debug multiple times after last video and still not find the root cause yet. If I need further help, maybe I can confirm with Bai if needed. So that is briefly progress of the what I did since last Thursday. Hope you will enjoy this video. Until next time, happy coding.